Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject General Science. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Today we are going to discuss the source of sun's energy. We were discussing nuclear fusion reactions. The source of sun's energy is also a nuclear fusion reaction. The sun is a huge source of hydrogen gas. Sun is hydrogen gas, huge mass of hydrogen gas, and the temperature in it is extremely high. So temperature inside the sun is very high. This sun may be considered as a big thermonuclear furnace where hydrogen atoms are continuously being fused into helium atoms. Sun is considered a huge thermonuclear furnace. It hydrogen atoms continuously burn fuse into the helium atoms. As we know that during the nuclear fusion reactions, there occurs loss of mass. This mass is being lost during these nuclear fusion reactions and energy is being produced. Loss in mass, loss of mass, you see loss in mass, convert into energy. That means energy is being produced. Thus, the sun, which gives us heat and light, driven the energy from the fusion of helium nuclei, hydrogen nuclei into helium. We see sun as heat energy and light energy. Heat energy, light energy, the energy has from the fusion of hydrogen nuclei into the helium nuclei, which is going inside it all the time. Inside the sun, inside the fusion of hydrogen nuclei into helium nuclei. During this fusion reaction, what happens? There occurs loss of mass, and this loss, mass, it gets converted into the tremendous amount of energy. Yes, it's converted as a tremendous amount of energy. So we can say that the sun, which gives us light and heat, it driven energy from the fusion of hydrogen nuclei into the helium nuclei. The main nuclear fusion reaction taking place in the sun, which releases a tremendous amount of energy, it is the fusion of 4 hydrogen nuclei to form a bigger helium nuclei. To form a bigger main fusion reaction, you sun's much gasa. You say tremendous amount of energy released reaction fusion of 4 hydrogen nuclei into the helium nuclei. In this reaction, 4 hydrogen nuclei, they fuse together inside the sun and they form helium nucleus. He24 is a positron with the liberation of a tremendous amount of energy. Release of a lot of energy. Total energy produced by the fusion of hydrogen, it is tremendous. Total energy produced by the fusion of it is tremendous. That means very large amount of huge amount of energy is released by the fusion of 4 hydrogen atom into 4 hydrogen nuclei. This energy is released. Energy has released. Energy is produced by the fusion of 4 hydrogen nuclei into helium. She release in the form of heat and light. Release. It is this energy. Energy sun shine and gives us heat and light. So we can say that source of sun's energy, it is the nuclear fusion of 4 hydrogen atom into helium nuclei. Into helium nuclei.